This is a quick lesson to cover all of the relationships that are created when two lines intersect, and when two lines are cut by a transversal. Okay, so the relationships that exist are vertical angles and linear pairs. The relationships that exist when two lines and a transversal are in play are corresponding same side interior, alternate interior, and alternate exterior. Now you see all of them. All 8 angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The pairs are going to have different relationships. Now here are the key words to consider. Same side and alternate are the words that address the transversal. Same side of the transversal, same side, and then alternate sides of the transversal. So if you see angles that are on alternate sides of the transversal and they're found to have vertices on 2 different lines, then you're looking at alternate interior, alternate exterior. Same side, and then alternate sides. When you see the words interior and exterior, that has to do with a pair of lines. Okay, are the angles on the interior of the parallel lines, or are they on the exterior of the parallel lines? Okay, we're looking at the pairs must be on both of them must be on the interior, or both must be on the exterior. If one is on the interior and one is on the exterior, then you're not looking at you're not looking at interior-exterior pairs. So let's go through these. The first one, 2 and 3 are vertical. 1 and 4 are vertical. 2 and 4 are a linear pair. 1 and 2 are a linear pair. 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 are also linear pairs. That's the extent of all those relationships that involve these 2 lines. These 2 angles, 4 and 6, are on the same side and they're on the interior. So the relationship is same side interior angles. 3 and 5 are same side interior angles. 4 and 5 are on alternate sides of the transversal. They are alternate interior angles. 3 and 6 are alternate interior. 1 and 8 alternate exterior. 2 and 7 alternate exterior. And then finally corresponding. 2 and 6, one's on the interior, one's on the exterior. The pair is not in or outside the 2 lines. So these are corresponding. We know they're not they're same side, but they're not either interior or exterior. They correspond to each other. So you can say the same relative position. Quadrant 1, quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 2. You say north position, south position, south position. If they correspond, then they're corresponding angles. So this should be a review for some of you. It might be new material for others. It's a fairly straightforward concept. Pay particular attention to the words that are used. This gives you clues as to where those positions are. It's convention, a naming convention. It wasn't meant to be difficult. It's meant to be very intuitive. Okay, but you do have to know the parts. Line GH is your transversal that cuts across 2 lines. Later on, you'll see that a transversal can cut across many lines. Sometimes you'll have pairs of lines crossing pairs of other lines. Okay, but let's just get this down first. All right, with that, there'll be a practice posted, and I want you to do those 16 questions today. and you can self-assess. You'll get the solutions right away. Please share out any errors that you might have made. I want you to make sure you catch those and you note anything by writing it down and making sure that is available to you when you take the actual test. We want to make mistakes now and correct those. We don't want to make mistakes on the actual test.